Welcome to the Traditional Dream Factory, where we're laying the foundations for a regenerative future. Based in beautiful Portugal, just an hour and a half from Lisbon, we're creating a 21st century village that integrates regenerative agriculture, community living, and digital technology. Over the past 3 years, we've planted over 3,000 trees, cultivated a vibrant food forest, established a market garden, and built an industrial kitchen to bring farm-fresh veggies straight to our plates. We've created a thriving co-living space where we've hosted thousands of visitors with glamping tents for up to 50 people, a co-working space, a solar system, a sauna, a treehouse, and a cinema. We also have a plant-based filtration system to treat the gray water from our showers and kitchen and redirects it to our reforestation project. But this is just the beginning. We now have fully approved architectural plans to develop a co-living space that includes 14 suites, a house, a makerspace, an industrial kitchen, a biomorphic co-working garden, a wellness area, and a natural pool. We have close ties with our local authorities who fully support our work. We are currently securing an additional 25 hectares with a further 4,000 square meters of urbanizable land. Here, we will develop an orchard with 10,000 fruit trees and a water retention landscape with 2 lakes, ensuring our future food and water sovereignty. Through our incubator, we are developing sustainable products such as almond butter, olive oil, mushrooms, hot sauce, and blue bucha, our homemade Blue Lotus kombucha. We are also enhancing our soil, sequestering carbon, and generating energy through our biochar production. We are cultivating a thriving economy which leaves a positive trace on our ecosystems. Through the principles of web3 regenerative finance, decentralized governance, and steward ownership, we are working with emerging technology to develop a sustainable financial model. We are monitoring the growth of our forests, our soil health, and water retention capacities to evaluate the health of our ecosystems and biodiversity, allowing us to issue carbon credits through Open Forest Protocol. Are you ready for the new generation of regeneration? Whether you have a green thumb, a passion for community, or a knack for digital wizardry, there's a place for you in our vibrant and diverse community. So come visit us at the Traditional Dream Factory and experience the magic of regenerative living firsthand. And if you can't make it to TDF right now, there are still plenty of ways to dream and play with us. Subscribe to our online platforms or join our Wanderer calls to learn more about our vision, mission, and the exciting ways you can get involved. Together, let's dream big, make a difference, and build a better future at the Traditional Dream Factory.